trucks up. So that's what I'm doing now. So another thing we do in the mornings, go around and get all the garage doors open in the bays for the calf feed chute, where that's where we load out calf feed, that's where we load out any other feed pit. This door here, I hate to admit it, but I slightly kissed it with my auger. So now we gotta open it by hand and it takes forever. Got that job done. It's always a good one to get done with. So I just got done hauling my bags for today, unless someone else calls in. Now we're filling micros. System fill with bags, a whole bunch, and then down below there's a bunch of screw augers that run to conveyor that way up. This is the scales in itself, so they have to shut it down and they can't use it while we fill it up. And they will we'll fill them up all the way, and then if he needs like 10 pounds or whatever, screw auger turns on, goes into conveyor, and it runs up into the mixer over there under that way hop. Vitamin E, baby. These all full. Each one of these we stack up along the edge in case if we run out in the middle of mixing feed or something, and we can just quick come out here and dump 2 bags or whatever. So we try to keep them stocked up there. When we fill these up, we try to probably once a day. So this right here is the bottom, the screw augers coming out of the micros. That bin right there is what we just filled. All these screw augers, they run into this conveyor here, and it runs all the way up to the mixer. So now we're in a real predicament. He just tore another one. Someone cut them. Whoever cut the plastic was cutting bags. Was that you?
No.
Good grief. Stuff's $700 a bag, and he's over here spilling it all over the ground. trying to do is bag some all stock. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's all stock, so you basically feed sheep, goats, steers if you want, pretty much anything you want.
Don't put a bag on. Don't put a bag. You don't want that chunk.
Okay. What just happened, we got a chunk up there and it plugged it up, so we're gonna, got Larry here, we're gonna get it fixed. Is there a chunk up there? Oh! There it is. This is what was plugging it up. It makes it pour out the top. When it's mixing all corn, small bits of corn and molasses and pellets and stuff, get all bunched up and chunky, and they plug everything up. Yep. So that's what that was. So when you're stacking, you have 2 bags going this way, and then you have 3 going this way, and then every layer you switch. So next time there'll be 3 here and 2 here. So that's how you stack. It's pretty much the bagging setup. Got our subwoofer. It's just a barrel, but it works pretty good for us. I mean, we are back here for hours, bagging day in and day out, and a little music is nice. Okay, so now I'm actually going to load a bunch of pallets up. We'll get more pallets shipped in than what we use, of what we ship out. Most of it goes out in a bulk truck, then we'll mix it up and send it out in a bulk truck. So we have to sell the pallets, and that guy's here, so I'm going to load him. So what we're doing now, we're pulling totes of soybean meal for customers, so get some shots of that. Basically, you just stick those hooks on there. We got the chute, I can stick up to that chute and fill the tote up. Looks something like that. now we're gonna go deliver this tote here to a guy. He wants it to put old engine oil in and stuff. He's got a shop, so he gets feed from us, so we're giving it to him free. So now what we're doing is we're gonna load that soybean meal that we had put in totes earlier. So he's backing up right now. Good old box truck. Didn't sound good. Yeah, we're gonna end the day off today with oiling these bad boys. I noticed they were getting a little hard to crank. They're getting cranky. So yeah, we're gonna put some oil on there. We'll just coat the whole thing. It keeps them from rusting with all the slush and salt and stuff on the roads these days. It gets pretty bad, so. Yeah, boy. That is it for you today, you guys. So catch you in the next one. Peace.
Stop it. Get some help.